Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the heater valve on this 2003 Mercury Mountaineer. And the items you'll need for this is a new heater valve from 1AAuto.com, an 8mm socket and ratchet, a Phillips screwdriver, pliers, and 2 pairs of locking pliers.
So you can see we got some coolant on our wheel, makes a puddle right next to the tire, and if you'd followed it up, you'll go right to the heater control valve.
Your heater valve is located right here, and it's held in with one 8mm bolt. And the best way to remove that is through the wheel well with a socket and ratchet. And we'll just fast forward as Mike removes that. Then just pull this hose free. Lift this up so you have better access to it. And then clamp onto each hose with a pair of locking pliers. Then using a pair of regular pliers, just slide those clips on the hoses down. And then pull the hoses free. And our first Phillips screw removed no problem. This other one was a little more difficult. You just use a hammer to kind of jolt the screw, and you just hammer it while twisting on the Phillips screwdriver, and it loosened it up enough that we could remove it the rest of the way. And the heater valve's free. On the right is the old heater valve, on the left is the new one from 1AAuto. You can see they're identical and they'll fit exactly the same. Remove the new screws from your new heater valve.
Then put the bracket back in place and use the 2 original longer Phillips screws as they'll hold better to re-secure the bracket.
Feed the heater valve back down into place and then push your hoses back on. And then slide those hose clamps back up into place. And remove those 2 pairs of locking pliers. Now push the bracket back down and line it up. Push this hose back into your heater valve. And once you have that bracket lined up, just replace that 8mm bolt and tighten it up.
Anytime you do any service to the cooling system, you want to make sure you add radiator fluid. This Ford motor product, you need to use the gold style fluid or make sure it's compatible. This is a cold fill line. You want to be within this range. Make sure the engine is cool when you're filling it. And if you've done extensive service or drained a lot out of it, you'll want to do this and start up your engine, run it, let it cool down, and you'll probably do it a few times before you add back all the coolant in. But anytime you service your cooling system, refill it and recheck it a few times the first few times you drive it.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.